We've just acquired this stunning one owner from new Jaguar XF Sportbrake estate. Absolutely stunning condition throughout. It's got privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Absolutely lovely condition, as you can see. It's got rear park distance control, electric rear tailgate. As you can see, the boot is absolutely immaculate condition, not being knocked about. The load cover there. Full leather interior. It is just immaculate. Electric windows, mirrors, Meridian sound system, electric seats, automatic gearbox and paddle shift. Just start the car up and you'll see all the air vents open up. Climate control, always nice, very cold. Just tried it in this weather. It's done 106 miles. It's got full computer system, so we've got the full navigation system there. Climate control, full media pack and Bluetooth connectivity. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, extra storage cup holders, centre armrest, USB aux. I think this one has heated seats. Yep, heated seats and a reverse camera too. Fully loaded, lovely car. Like I say, it drives absolutely superb. It doesn't look nothing like the age or mileage. It's in superb condition. Lovely colour. At DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.